bossy as well. Fucking winner. And you come around the top. I won't win in the video.
No, you'll be alright.
Don't want to be in the video. Oh, Jurassic Park's come back. Oh, yeah.
Sorry, I need to get this crossed over, I can't now.
Go on, Dan, keep going, same speed. No, same speed, Dan, same speed. Wiggle your wheels if you need grip. I think turn right and go forward. Give it a wiggle, see if you can rock it.
Nice. Oh.
Here you go.
Yeah!
Defender. Guys, elements.
That's done with emotion.
Baby, you're gonna get this. I'll get Sean to send it to you. Then you can
I can send them all over.
I think I'm going to have to axle slide it on too wide.
Oh, music.
It's alright, it'll be quiet in the background. You'll be able to
That's what I was thinking.
hopefully get it
Nice jump.
That counts, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Mine was too wide. I should have stayed on the other logs longer. I need to do that completely differently. I'm going back up to another one.
Well, done it a bit differently myself.
Big boy rig. Trying to see if I can side along the top of it. Probably could have done it.